Making pasta from scratch? You bet. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are massive. Fresh pasta beats the dry stuff hands down. The taste? Out of this world. Plus, you control the ingredients, so it's healthier too. Forget those plastic packages from the supermarket. Making your own pasta is better for the planet. Less waste, more flavor. It's a win-win. Trust me, once you go fresh, you'll never go back. Get the family involved. It's a blast. Kids love getting their hands dirty with the dough. It's a fun activity and a great way to bond in the kitchen. Plus, they might actually eat their veggies in the sauce. Bonus! Flour is the heart of your pasta, so choose wisely. For most pasta, all-purpose flour does the trick. But for a real treat, try Italian 00 flour. It's finely milled and gives you that silky smooth pasta texture. Want that extra bite? Semolina flour is your friend. It's made from durum wheat and adds a lovely yellow hue and a firmer texture. Perfect for holding those chunky sauces. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try mixing different flours to find your perfect blend. Whole wheat flour adds a nutty flavor and boosts the fiber content. Get creative and see what you like best. Making pasta dough is easy peasy. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of effort, you can create delicious homemade pasta right in your kitchen. Combine your flour of choice with eggs and a pinch of salt. You can use all-purpose flour, or for a more authentic taste, try using semolina or 00 flour. Then the fun begins. Kneading. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a cohesive dough. Use your hands to bring the dough together into a smooth ball. Kneading is key. It helps to develop the gluten, which gives the pasta its structure and texture. It develops the gluten in the flour, giving your pasta that lovely chewiness. The more you knead, the better the texture. Work that dough for a good 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This ensures that the dough is well developed and ready for the next steps. If it feels dry, add a touch of water, a teaspoon at a time. Be careful not to add too much, as you want the dough to be firm but pliable. The window pane test, ever heard of it? It's a simple way to check if your dough is ready. Take a small piece of dough and stretch it gently. If it stretches without tearing, you're on the right track. If you can see light through it without it tearing, you're golden. This means the gluten is well developed and your dough is perfect. Time to let the dough rest for 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial as it allows the gluten to relax. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out. Once rested, your dough is ready to be transformed into delicious pasta shapes. Section 4. Shaping your masterpiece, from fettuccine to farfalle. Now for the fun part, shaping. This is where your creativity can truly shine. You can keep it simple with a rolling pin or go pro with a pasta machine. Both methods have their own charm and can yield fantastic results. Roll out the dough thinly and cut it into your favorite shapes. Whether you prefer long strands or intricate designs, the choice is yours. From classic spaghetti to fancy farfalle, the possibilities are endless. Each shape brings its own unique texture and experience to the table. Each shape has its own personality and sauce soulmate. Pairing the right sauce with the right pasta can elevate your dish to new heights. Long, thin strands like spaghetti and fettuccine love light, delicate sauces. These sauces coat the pasta evenly, enhancing every bite. Sturdy shapes like penne and rigatoni are perfect for clinging onto chunky sauces. Their ridges and tubes trap the sauce, making each mouthful a delight. And for stuffed pasta like ravioli, a simple butter and sage sauce lets the filling shine. Don't stress about perfection. The goal is to enjoy the process and the flavors. Homemade pasta is all about rustic charm. It's the imperfections that make it special and unique. Embrace the imperfections. They add character. Each piece tells a story of its own. Have fun with it and experiment with different shapes and sizes. Involve your family and friends and make it a joyful, shared experience. Section 5, Sauce Secrets, Elevating Your Pasta Game. Welcome to the world of pasta perfection, where every detail counts. A great sauce can make or break your pasta dish. It's the heart and soul of your creation. Keep it simple and fresh. Fresh ingredients bring out the best flavors. A classic tomato sauce with ripe tomatoes, garlic, and basil is always a winner. It's a timeless combination that never fails. Or try a creamy carbonara with pancetta, eggs, and Parmesan cheese. This rich and indulgent sauce is a favorite for a reason. Fresh herbs and spices are your secret weapons. They elevate your dish to new heights. They add layers of flavor and aroma that you just can't get from dried ones. The difference is truly remarkable. Basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, get experimental and see what tickles your taste buds. Each herb brings its own unique character. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Innovation is key to creating memorable dishes. Roasted vegetables, creamy cheeses, fresh seafood. The possibilities are endless. Mix and match to find your perfect combination. Get creative and let your taste buds guide you. The journey to pasta perfection is as enjoyable as the destination.